In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could turn off two-factor authentication, aka 2FA, here on Instagram. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Instagram tips and tutorials. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment, so ask it down there. But two-factor authentication, aka 2FA, is a great way to protect your Instagram account, but sometimes it can be super annoying, especially when you're logging into new devices. Here's how you can actually disable it. Begin by opening up Instagram and going to your profile by clicking on the profile icon down in the bottom right corner, and from here select the three lines up in the top right corner to bring up your settings and activity. Now up at the very top you're going to see an account center option. Go ahead and select that and then scroll down and you're going to find your account settings. What you're going to want to select is actually the password and security within here, and from here go ahead and tap on two-factor authentication. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Select the account you want to go ahead and manage and then choose the method that you are currently providing your login codes to, for example like an authentication app or text message. Go ahead and select it and then go ahead and toggle the switch off, and it's going to ask you to confirm by pressing turn off. But yeah, overall it really is as simple as that. That's how you can turn off 2FA here on an Instagram account. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.